What does soy milk from these soybeans actually taste like? Let's find out. I know what you might be thinking, and this is not just a ginormous bag of the average soybeans that you'd find in grocery stores. This is a bag of USDA Organic, non-GMO soybeans grown right here in the United States. Whether or not that would make these taste better than soy milk from your average bean is honestly really subjective, so that's not what I'm going to be testing today. Instead, I'm going to make fresh soy milk using these soybeans and judge it based off of the texture, aka whether or not it comes out smooth or super coarse or overly watery, the smell, or whether or not it smells like soybeans after it's mixed or has no smell whatsoever, and the taste, which will determine whether or not the beans were harvested at the right time and they taste clean and neutral, or if they were harvested too early or too late, in which case they would taste like young edamame or fermented natto beans. All right, here we go. All right, we're here in my kitchen. Got my scoop of soybeans. Here we go. I put in 4 tablespoons of soybeans total. The bubbling that you see on the surface is normal because that happens when the soybeans are rehydrating. Usually I add a sweetener here, but in this case, since I want to test the taste of the pure soybeans, I'm just going to mix it like this. As you can see, nothing added. Starting the process. We'll come back when it's done making the soy milk. All right, we are good to go.
Let's see if we can do a little ASMR with this.
And now remember, we're assessing it by texture, smell, and taste. I'm gonna poke it to test the texture. Okay, texture is looking good. It's very smooth. Starting to form a little bit of a skin because the soy milk is piping hot, but I don't see any pulp in it whatsoever, and it looks pretty solid, like not too watery. So I'll give that a pass. Next for smell. It's got that satisfying fresh soy milk smell. Not too strong, thankfully not rancid, and not like nothing. So easy pass. And finally, the most fun, and arguably the most important, taste test. It's got a very clean, natural, and neutral taste with a bit of the soybean taste, but not young like edamame, and thankfully not rancid like natto. So perfect, easy pass. So what does soy milk from these soybeans actually taste like? Exactly like soy milk should. Smooth, no overwhelming smell, and refreshing, especially if you drink it when you make it fresh. So if you're looking for some high quality, organic, US grown soybeans to make soy milk or soy products that taste exactly like soy should, pick up a bag of these soybeans for yourself today, and you're gonna be set.